Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Diablo 4 error code 395002. Account is currently locked. So as of now there's only about one or two solutions for this, and yeah, let's get started. So the first solution is that you're simply just going to turn off your console and you're going to wait about like 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to unplug all the wires out of your console and then wait another 2 to 3 minutes and then replug it in, you could also do that. That might have a better, result. You're just simply gonna replug the wires, after 2 to 3 minutes, turn the console back on, and then you're gonna play Diablo, and then that should fix the error code. Now, if something like fails for somehow and it doesn't work, the second method you guys are gonna do is simply delete Diablo 4. You're gonna re-download it. And as of now, these are the only two workarounds / solutions for this error code. Now, you could always just simply wait for the devs to fix this error code as well, but like, you really don't want to do that because that might take days. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.